In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade NAS100 on MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the full basic process of finding the instrument, opening its chart, setting up your order, and placing either a buy or a sell trade. Keep in mind that the exact symbol name can vary depending on your broker, so if you don't see NAS100 right away, that's completely normal. First, open MetaTrader 5 and go to the Market Watch window. You can usually open it quickly with Control and M on your keyboard. Once the Market Watch panel is visible, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is important because you'll be using the empty row at the bottom to search for and add the index symbol manually. In that empty row, type NAS100, US100, or USTech, depending on how your broker labels the Nasdaq 100 index. Then press enter. If one name doesn't work, try the others. Different brokers often use different naming conventions for the same market, so it's worth checking all three if needed. Once the symbol appears, right-click on the newly added instrument and select Chart Window. This will open the price chart so you can analyze the market before entering a trade. Even if you already know the direction you want to trade, it's a good habit to look at the chart first so you can get a quick sense of recent price movement. Next, click the New Order button in the toolbar. This opens the order window where you'll prepare your trade. Here, you'll need to set your main parameters, including volume, stop loss, and take profit. Volume controls your position size, so make sure you choose an amount that matches your risk tolerance and account size. Stop loss is the price level where the trade will close automatically if the market moves against you, helping limit losses. Take profit is the level where the trade closes automatically once your target is reached. Taking a moment to set these properly can help you trade more consistently and with better risk control. After your parameters are set, you're ready to place the trade. Click buy if you expect the index to rise, or click sell if you expect it to fall. As soon as you do that, your trade will be sent to the market. That's the basic process for trading NAS100 on MetaTrader 5. Find the symbol, open the chart, create a new order, set your trade details, and choose buy or sell based on your market outlook.